First, visit iReaShare.com and head to the Android Manager page. You can scroll down to check all the features and the step-by-step guide in detail. After that, click the Back to Top button. Click the Try for Free option to download it on your computer. Double-click the iReaShare Android Manager installer to install it on your computer by following the step-by-step guide. Once finished, click Finish to close setup. To transfer apps from mobile to laptop, run the software. Connect your Android mobile to your laptop via USB. The software will quickly recognize your Android mobile. If prompted, please click OK or Allow on your mobile to make sure the connection is established. After successfully connecting, all the data on your Android mobile will be displayed by categories in the interface. Click Apps, User Apps, then the software will scan all the apps on your mobile. You can scroll down to view the apps. To transfer apps from mobile to laptop, select the apps you want to transfer, click Export, choose a location on your laptop to save them, then click OK. The chosen apps will be transferred to your laptop directly. Once finished, click OK.